Hello everyone, this is Yeahyea Mazumder wishing you all a very happy World Environment Day 2020. Hope you all are well, staying home and staying safe. Dear viewers, nature is sending us a clear message. We are harming the natural world to our own detriment. Habitat degradation and biodiversity loss are accelerating. Climate disruption is getting worse. Fires, floods, droughts and superstorms are more frequent and damaging. Oceans are heating and acidifying, destroying coral ecosystems. And now, a new coronavirus is raising, undermining health and livelihoods. To care for humanity, we must care for nature. We need our entire global community to change course. Let's rethink what we buy and use, adopt sustainable habits, farming and business models, safeguard remaining wild spaces and wildlife, and commit to a green and resilient future. As we work to build back better, let's put nature where it belongs, at the heart of our decision making. On this World Environment Day, it's time for nature. Thank you. Wish you all a very happy World Environment Day once again. Stay home and stay safe.